am Janet Miller with the Hearing Aid Specialist of the Carolinas in Winston-Salem and in Kernersville, where better hearing is a dream come true. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to properly care for your hearing aids. This is one particular style of hearing aid. And to take care of it, you want to take a cloth. One should come with your hearing aids. If not, you can use a Kleenex or whatever you have available. Take the cloth and just kind of wipe it down every day. The dome, the end that goes into the ear canal, wipe that off, get that sticky wax off. And if you noticed before, I had a video on how to change the wax guard, but that is typically underneath this dome. You pull that off, there's the wax guard, and you'll change that out as needed. I'll put that back on. Now, on this particular hearing aid, you have your microphones are here, here, and here. So you want to keep those free of debris. While most hearing aids come with a little brush, I tell people to use a toothbrush. Get a soft bristle baby toothbrush. Okay, as long as it's soft bristle. Use it dry, and then just brush over here and here and here. Okay. Now, one of the big questions when taking care of a hearing aid is what happens if it gets wet, or if I perspire and so if the hearing aid gets wet, say you had it on, you jump in the shower and realize, oh my goodness, I left my hearing aid on. Don't panic. Take the hearing aid out, open up the battery door like this, open it up, take the battery out, dry it, and then take a little piece of tissue like this, kind of roll that up like that, and then dab it in here and dry that compartment out. Let this dry overnight for 24 hours. Give it 24 hours to completely dry out. Should be fine. If for some reason it's still not working, just bring it in to me and I will do what I can to take care of it. And I think that is it. Thank you.